Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing how to deal with stress and anxiety, the pressure especially developed during the examination days. One of my friend Mrs. Ayushi told me that these days exams of law students are approaching and much is going on around that. So students are in much deep stress. So especially this video is dedicated to the students of law and you're approaching exams. Firstly, understand why does the stress comes? How does it grows? For example, tomorrow I have my exam. There is a subtle tension in my mind. How will I perform? What will happen? Or else, some of you may have given the exams before and maybe you do not have a satisfying experience. So in both the cases, one case is of the future, I am concerned about what will happen in the future, how will I perform? And in the other case, we are thinking about the past. How did I perform? Will the same impression come to the current scenario? In both these situations, we are not in the present moment. We are far away from it. So first of all, whenever you are overthinking or in tension or in stress, just give a snap of your finger. Remind yourself that I have to be in the present. I do not know what will happen tomorrow, how the examination will come, how will I prepare, how will I perform. I'm not sure about it. And what happened yesterday, I'm not even sure if the same experience will be repeated. But this moment, current present moment, this now is new, is unique. I can paint it the way I want it. I can paint it with overthinking. I can paint it with stress. I can paint this moment by studying or by doing whatever best I can. So first tip is to focus in the present. Remind yourself to be in the present. Consider all the possibilities and yes, what best can be done now should be done now. So this is the first tip. Second tip, never do multitasking. Suppose there are many subjects that I have to study. At one time, one subject, one question. Many people have the habit of checking different papers, checking different questions. Okay, I have to study from here also. I have to study from there also. This will not help. You can be in one boat at one time. So if you are studying one chapter, focus on that. Then leave the focus on other chapters. I didn't study that well. It has big weightage. If you are doing one thing, do one thing at a time. And the third and the last tip is simple meditation. Like we need shower every morning to dust all the dirt we have compiled in the day. We take a face shower or hands, we rub it with water every night so that we are fresh every night before sleeping. Similarly, our mind needs a shower too. And inner cleansing is essential. And that happens through meditation. Supposedly, our past experiences are compiled in the mind. The stress of the past, what others are saying, is all compiled in our mind. That needs a decluttering. How can we do it? Our master Osho has devised a simple but very effective technique for the current man, for the current era, for the stress we all are dealing with. It is known as dynamic meditation. You can Google it anywhere, or else you can write down an email to us at the email address contact@oshofragrance.org. I'm repeating, contact@oshofragrance.org. Dynamic meditation is basically 1 hour meditation. If you do not have 1 hour, at least 30 minutes can be helpful. It has 5 steps. First is deep exhalation through the nose. This will break your mind pattern. The thoughts that are running in a circle will get a stop. It cannot happen in this breathing pattern. So the mind stops for a while. The second step is catharsis, gibberish, letting out all the emotions, letting out all the stress that you have. The third step is jumping with the sound who, who. It gives you a hit on the navel center and let your positive energy rise upwards. The fourth is stillness, watching whatever is happening with your eyes closed. You are just a witness. And in the fifth step, let's celebrate and dance. This may look stupid also to some, this may look different also to some, but I'm telling you 5 minutes of each step of this will make wonders for you. This meditation will actually make you dynamic. This will make you full of energy, fresh enough to study again, to focus well, to perform well, and to give your best. The mechanism behind this meditation is, firstly, it stops the thinking pattern, then it releases all the stress that we have, and then gives us a positive direction. This is the first 3 steps that happen. You have to do each step well. If you do not do the first well, you cannot do the second well. After the 3 steps, these are the technique. And the fourth of stillness, observing the mind, is actual meditation. And the fifth is gratitude, thankfulness. So do remember the 3 tips. First, be in the present. The meditation helps you to come back to the present. The second, do not multitask. Remember one chapter, one question at a time. And third, please spare some time for your inner peace, for cleansing of your inner self. All the best for your exams. Thank you so much.